What's up, gang? BMI back with another video for you guys, and today I've got some stock picks for y'all. I've got about 6 different picks for you guys, and the goal here is for everybody to make some money. I hope you're all doing well out there in the market. Still early in the week, but just keep in mind that these plays, you might not like them. They might not be hot tomorrow. It might take till next week or a few weeks. But just keep the prices in mind. They are likely to change. It's afternoon. And some of these are risky. Some of them you're going to like, some of them you won't like. But before I get into the stock picks, this is most definitely not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. All right. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm not a rocket scientist. I'm just a guy that talks about stocks that he likes. All right, so I've got about 6 different stocks here for you guys. And the very first one, kind of just gonna roll through these. ETHZ, ticker symbol ETHZ. We talked about this stock before. ETHZ, number 1 on the list for a reason, y'all. I think it's cheap. I think it's oversold. It was trying to stay green today, but I think it's gonna end up red. That's also why it's the number 1 pick here. The 52-week high is $17.75, and the 52-week low is 65 cents. I do not see this one going that low. This is the Peter Thiel stock that we've been talking about, and the daily high was $3.33. It just struggles there. It looks like if you can get this thing at $3, under $3, I think at that point, this is almost a longer term hold here, more than a swing play, but definitely a swing play going into the end of this week and next week. ETHZ, I think it's going to be green in the next few days here, but not financial advice, right? SGBX is my number 2 stock. SGBX is a risky one here, safe and green, 18 cents. We traded this one this morning, made a little bit of money on it. Down 3% today. You know, it could be down to the 17 cents. I think we were trading it, I got some at like 17.7, 17.6. So if it's down to the 17.16s tomorrow, this could be a real big swing play. SGBX, I've seen it green many mornings, so watch out for this one. It's down right now. 52-week is less than $2, and the 52-week high, I'm sorry, is right there at $2, almost $2. So it's at the 52-week low, y'all. It's right there at it. That's why I think this one's gonna bounce, and that's why it's number 2. Safe and green, Florida, U.S. stock. Number 3, y'all, this is the number 3 stock that I have for y'all. THAR, ticker symbol THAR. We've been trading this one. It's been good for us. We've got none but good trades out of it. It's down, last I looked, around $6.38, down 17% today. So the 52-week high on this one is $9, and the 52-week low is 95 cents. It's a biotech stock. I think this one is a good swing play here at the end of the week. If things, you know, everything's kind of depending on if what Powell does, but I think things are going to bounce regardless. I still think it's a bull market, but that later for a later video. THAR here, I think it could be a swing play. It's up 350% for this month, y'all. So it's been green. I think it's going to stay green this week. If it goes red tomorrow again, could be a buying opportunity. So watch out for THAR. AI is my next stock. Now, I have talked about AI before, and it's because it's taken a big drop, and it's still right there around $17, down 51% year to date. The 52-week high is $45, and the 52-week low is very close, $14.70. That's why it's high up here on the list. I like this stock, AI. The earnings are coming up next month, y'all. I think this one can definitely turn around, and I think why this one and a lot of the stocks on the list, probably in your portfolio, a lot of red out there on the market right now, is the fear and uncertainty, but also the NVIDIA earnings for tech stocks. A lot of tech stocks right now are waiting on those NVIDIA earnings. So I think those are going to be good when NVIDIA drops earnings. Tech stocks should bounce and follow suit, right? So AI, I think, is going to benefit from that. If all things are good, this next stock, a lot of y'all probably aren't going to like, and I haven't talked about it in a long time. But I think it could be a swing play. I think it could be a trade for anybody out there, especially the newer investors. AMC, we all know AMC. The earnings, I believe, though, are a bit away. I think it's a month or two away. But the reason why this one's on my list is because it's under that $2, $3, it's $2.87. All right, so less than $3. It's down 28% year to date. The 52-week high is $5.56, and the 52-week low is $2.45. So very, very, very close to that 52-week low here. AMC, I think that it hit that recently. It's still popular stock. All right, people still trade it. It does have low volume, but I think all of the stocks right now have low volume, and they're moving on it. For AMC, my price target is less than $2.80. Not going to spend a lot of time on this. Not trying to hype it up. I just think it's an easy trade because it could swing. It's been swinging the past month or so. So watch out for AMC. It could go green easy. Easy. People FOMO into that stock all the time. And I saved the best one for last, y'all. This one is the most risky play. It's the most expensive stock that I have on my list. NEGG, ticker symbol NEGG. This one is a hype play. It's a squeeze play. It was around $68 last I looked, and that is down 16% today. It was down 10% yesterday. So this one has lost $17 just today. I believe it's lost over 20 something dollars from that $120 high, maybe even $40-50 in the past few days. So watch out for NEGG. I think this could be a swing play here because it's just taking a beating. $137 is the 52-week high. The 52-week low is $3.30. I don't think it's going that low, but this one could be going to that $60 level. It's been on fire. This stock is up 12,000. All right. No, I'm just kidding. 1,200, y'all. 1,200% in the past 3 months. It's on fire. All right. 1,200% past 3 months. It's a short squeeze play because Martin Scarelli is shorting this stock. All right. He's the famous investor out there, the pharma bro guy. He's been shorting this stock. He thinks it's going to go down, but a lot of other people think it's going to go up. It's got a small market cap, expensive stock here, but the thing about that is it's a high cost to borrow. So high cost to borrow out there, the shorts that are shorting this thing could turn around. All right, that's why it's dropping. People are selling, taking their profits because of how high it is, come up from very low here, up 1,200%, y'all. So from $137 back down to $68. Watch out for NEGG. I do have a few shares here. We purchased some shares yesterday and today, so able to average down on this one. I think it's going to turn around. I think it could be going back to the $100. Who knows what happens after that, but NEGG, it's just been on a roll. It's got the hype. It's got the squeeze play. Hey, I hope you guys make some money this week, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Let me know what you guys are trading and investing in the comments. Love seeing it. Like, comment, subscribe. Helps me out on the videos, and I'll try to get another couple videos out for this week. A couple more plays for you guys, but these plays I think are going to turn around, y'all. Good things are coming. Stay positive.